彦斌. Before we start a paragraph, let's see some vocabulary. Anyone know the meanings? Then raise your hands and get up on it. Yes, it's find or try to find a logical reason to explain. 就是合理化. The second paragraph, second word is sustain. Yes, 支撑，这里用是支撑。To make something continue for some time without less. Anyone can read the paragraph 1.
Line 50.
Yes.
50. But all hope wasn't lost. Peridot was able to spot two low summits about 65 kilometers, 40 miles, away that doesn't have snow. If they could get there, he rationalized, they would be out of the high ends. Reaching the two peaks would require more days of walking, and they didn't have enough food and drink to sustain them. But Peridot has a solution. Visinton could return to the plane, and he and Canessa would take his supplies. They agreed on the plan, and Canessa and Peridot continue their journey.
Okay, let's close the book, and I will create a short CD. And you have to answer the question.
Rationalized, they would be out in the high Andes. Reaching the two peaks would require 4 days of walking, and they didn't have enough food and drink to sustain them. But Peridot had a solution. Visinton could return to the plane, and he and Canessa would take his supplies.
Anyone can answer the first question? 1, 2, 3.
Because two of them have to return to the plane.
Why? It's why they cannot keep going. Why?
Yeah, two of them have to return to the plane and get the supply. Get a supply of food.
Because they didn't have enough supplies.
Yes. Who can answer the question 2?
Visiting.
Visit, yes. And let's see the paragraph 2. Let's see some vocabulary. First is peak. Anyone know meaning?
Sanfeng.
Yes. Sample. The point top of a mountain. And the second vocabulary is fatal. Yes, it's 同类同伴那一类的，就是配对物不是。Someone can read the paragraph 2. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. And you. Yes.
Walking toward the two peaks was difficult, but as the two men continued their hike, little by little, the landscape began to change. The men discovered a small stream of water. The sun also warmer, and it stayed lighter for more of the day. Within a few days of walking, the snow had disappeared completely and flowers were everywhere. This is the valley. Kanesa said, "This is the way out."
Yes. And I will just close your book again. Close your book. And I will play a short CD and you have to do a summarize. Just like how the landscape has changed. Listen carefully.
Continuing their hike, little by little, the landscape began to change. The men discovered a small stream of water. The sun was also warmer, and it stayed lighter for more of the day. Within a few days of walking, the snow had disappeared completely, and flowers were everywhere.
There are five differences. Anyone knows the answer? 5 differences.
They find a stream of water and the
Yes.
weather become warmer and
Yes.
the snow disappeared. The flowers are everywhere.
You miss one. Anyone know the miss one? Yes, they lighter more for days. And somebody can read a paragraph.
$75 to $79.
No, 71 to 72, 79.
Within days of reaching the valley, the first signs of humanity started to appear. A few camps on the ground, some farm animals in the field. It was December 19th and they had been working for 8 days. By December 21st, the exhausted pair made it to the town of Los Martínez in Chile. 是吗?
Yes.
And a rescue team was sent to save their 14 fellow survivors who were still high in the Andes.
Now close your book and I will play a short CD and you have to do translation. Okay.
On December 21st, the exhausted pair made it to the town of Las Martínez in Chile, and a rescue team was sent to save their 14 fellow survivors who were still high in the Andes.
The other chances.
到12月21号，那两个很累的两个人就终于到了智利的什么麦体是吗？
Yes.
然后那个搜救队终于可以去那个解救那个困在那边的14个人，14个还是6个？14个人。
Yes, totally correct.